Talagang I'm enjoying the TV commercial shoot with Cherry Mobile because the concept is so fun. It's like a music video. There's a dance performance na ginawa to the tune of Cherry Mobile's jingle. At may stage pa, kaya nakakatuwa. It's also a bit challenging kasi I have to move around a set na pinaglilibutan ng blue screen. Kailangan precise ang movements ko. Buti na lang, helpful at mabait ang mga taong katrabaho ko sa shoot.
Sa ngayon, naka-chroma shoot kasi. After this, sa post, sa editing namin, mawawala lahat yan. I-replace natin ng limbo. Probably something... basta i-replace yung background to something artificial during post. Then, we'll add the phones, also 3D, na i-composite with Sarah. She'll be interacting with the phones. So, yun. Makikita natin yun later pa, after post, sa editing.
Video, cameras, and music. Lakad.
It's very digital, so it's also nice to come up with CG that's very sleek. So, you know, and it also matches her personality and her styling because she always looks sleek in her concerts or her ads. So, there.
Okay. Yes. Yes. And cut.
This is actually my first time with Sarah and with Cherry Mobile. So I'm really honored to be doing this. She's very easy to work with. Surprisingly, kahit na, yun, we know na masikip yung schedule niya, she made time for us and we're very grateful for that. And nung magte-take kami, actually konti lang yung takes because she instantly gets what we wanted. So it was a very easy shoot, I must say. Yeah.
Yes. Why not? And cut.
It was very easy to work with her. She's a pro and galing nga parang very fast kasi we shot things in a sequence instead of per frame and she was able to do it. So it's really nice to work with her. Happy naman, happy, very happy. So far, all the live shots are nice. And well, Sarah looks very fresh and happy in the shots. And for some reason, parang it really adds some glamour to the TV scene.
It was really fun. It's really nice working with her because I can tell that she's a really down-to-earth person and she's really hardworking.
Sarah's just so talented. All the moves and even the way she performed the jingle, click tayo.
4, 3, 2, 1. And ang ganda. It's so soft.
Siyempre, I'm grateful to my Cherry Mobile family at pinagkatiwalaan nila ako to endorse their product. Siyempre, kasama ko sa roster ng mga endorsers sila Mr. Robin Padilla, Ms. Ann Curtis, Sir Willie Revillame. So, yung maging bahagi ng pamilya nila ay malaking karangalan na. So, maraming salamat po.